Why does your scanner show the P261C engine code? What does it mean? P261C is a diagnostic trouble code for coolant pump control circuit low. This engine code indicates a coolant pump B control circuit low malfunction, is detecting a voltage issue in the control circuit for the secondary or auxiliary engine coolant pump, B. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty engine coolant pump. Wiring and connector issues. Faulty ECM, engine control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in hybrid vehicles, like Nissan X-Trail and Toyota Aqua. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.